Right, here's where we start for you on all angles this hour. Build One South Africa leader Mmusi Maimane has laid criminal complaints against alleged Eskom looters. It follows allegations of corruption and criminality by former Eskom CEO Ruyter. He claims he informed a senior minister and the president's advisors about the situation, but he has not laid any official complaints or reported the matter to the police or the Hawks. Let's discuss this further and get the latest from senior reporter Ayesha Ismail live for us in Cape Town. So Ayesha, Mmusi Maimane has laid these criminal charges. He also mentioned at some point that he wants the president to tell him what he did to make sure that Eskom doesn't arrive where it is today.
That is correct, Masehon. So while Mmusi Maimane has mentioned names like President Cyril Ramaphosa, he's also mentioned Gwedi Mantashe as well as other names. However, he's saying that Ruyter, having made these serious allegations, is bound by law to substantiate these allegations. He's also saying that Pravin Gordhan also has a case to answer. But I'm now joined by the leader of Build One South Africa, Mmusi Maimane. You have now officially registered a criminal complaint here at the Cape Town Central Police Station. What are you aiming to achieve by this?
That is correct. We have opened a case. The station will send me a case number. The matter will be referred to the provincial investigative authority. What I want to achieve is to make sure that we get to the bottom of these acts of corruption, to these allegations, and that those who are responsible be brought to book and money that was stolen be brought back to the fiscus.
And who are the ones, in your opinion, who are responsible? In
my humble opinion, I really believe that Minister Pravin Gordhan, who's already confirmed that the interview did take place with him, has a case to answer. Ruyter must substantiate the allegations that he has made. Minister Gwedi Mantashe has been part of the cluster that is involved. And ultimately, if this matter was discussed in cabinet, the president must take deliberate action and must satisfy the nation as to what actions has he taken.
Are you confident that the South African police services will conduct a thorough investigation?
I think like any other thing, if someone stands up publicly and says they were witness to a murder, then it becomes important for them to come and prove that and show what the murder is. And today, opening the case says that we begin the journey, and if the police do not do their job, I will leave no stone unturned. I will deal with the police commissioner. We will make sure we get to the bottom of this issue, because it's important that such a serious treasonous crime be investigated to its fullest effect.
Now, there are indications and reports that Ruyter intends leaving South Africa. How are you going to compel him to substantiate these allegations, or even to, depose of an affidavit?
Well, the law, like in any other country, people can be brought back to come and give evidence. Mr. Ruyter can be given witness protection, which is part of the common practice in such complicated cases. But I think we can't just simply say go and sin no more, as it were. It's important that he must come back, give evidence, so that we can ultimately hold those who have committed these crimes to be held accountable.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. And that was Build One South Africa's leader, Mmusi Maimane, speaking to us here outside the Cape Town Central Police Station after he has registered a complaint against the some members of the African National Congress, as well as raising issues of Ruyter, saying that he needs to substantiate these very serious allegations that he has made.